Introducing the VEVOR L Shaped computer desk, where style meets functionality. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or tackling important tasks, this desk is your ultimate companion. With its sleek and modern design, it effortlessly combines ample surface area with clever storage solutions to accommodate your computer setup, peripherals, and essentials. The L shape maximizes space utilization, fitting seamlessly into any corner of your room. Crafted with high-quality materials and sturdy construction, VEVOR's desk is built to last. Join countless satisfied customers who have transformed their workspace. Upgrade your life with the VEVOR L Shaped computer desk today. The fifth product on our list is the VEVOR L Shaped computer desk. The VEVOR L Shaped computer desk is a game changer for anyone seeking an efficient and stylish workspace. Its L-shaped design makes the most of corner spaces, providing ample room for all your work essentials while keeping you organized and productive. The main desktop measures 59" by 19.7", offering plenty of space for your tasks. Crafted to perfection, the desk's tabletop is made from P2 chipboard that is CARB certified, ensuring safety for you and your family. It's not only waterproof but also scratch-resistant and easy to clean, making it ideal for busy workspaces. The steel frame, powder-coated to resist rust, ensures durability and can support up to 200 pounds of your work supplies. What sets this desk apart is its dual-stable design. The double X-shaped brackets provide rock-solid support, eliminating any wobbling or shaking. Adjustable foot pads ensure stability even on uneven floors without the risk of scratching. Additionally, the desk comes with a monitor riser that reduces strain on your eyes, neck, and back during long hours of computer work. At number 4 is the VEVOR L Shaped 47" corner desk. The VEVOR L Shaped 47" corner desk is a fantastic addition to any workspace, offering a perfect blend of functionality and style. Its L-shaped design is tailor-made for maximizing corner spaces while providing ample room for all your work essentials, ensuring that you stay organized and productive. With a main desktop size of 47" by 19.7", it strikes an ideal balance between space saving and usability. Crafted to perfection, the desk's tabletop is constructed from P2 chipboard, CARB certified for safety and peace of mind. This tabletop is not just robust but also waterproof, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean, ideal for those with hectic workspaces. The steel frame, powder-coated to resist rust, can handle a weight capacity of up to 200 pounds, making it reliable for all your work supplies. What truly sets this desk apart is its dual-stable design. The double X-shaped brackets offer unwavering support for the tabletop, eradicating any wobbling or shaking issues. Adjustable foot pads ensure that your desk remains safe and stable even on uneven floors without causing any floor damage. Moreover, the desk's shelf comes with 3 adjustable heights, allowing you to personalize your workspace according to your unique requirements. Whether you want to keep your books and files within arm's reach or organize your stationery and electronics for easy access, this desk adapts to your needs seamlessly. At number 3 is the VEVOR L Shaped computer desk, 47" corner desk. The VEVOR L Shaped computer desk, measuring 47 inches in length, is a space-saving marvel that brings a perfect blend of style and functionality to any workspace. Its L-shaped design is tailor-made for maximizing corner spaces, offering a spacious main desktop of 47" by 19.7" to accommodate all your work essentials while keeping you organized and highly productive. What truly sets this desk apart is its stability. The double X-shaped brackets provide rock-solid support for the tabletop, ensuring that there's no wobbling or shaking, even during intensive work sessions. The adjustable foot pads are a thoughtful addition, allowing the desk to maintain stability on uneven floors without causing any damage. The desk's shelf offers 3 adjustable heights, providing versatility for a personalized workspace. Whether you need easy access to books, files, stationery, or electronics, this desk adapts to your unique needs with ease. But that's not all. The VEVOR L Shaped computer desk comes with thoughtful storage solutions. It includes a felt cloth storage bag for neatly stowing away small items, a designated phone slot for keeping your device within arm's reach, and a handy hanging hook for headphones, keys, or other essentials. At number 2 on our list is the VEVOR L Shaped computer desk, 59" corner desk with storage bag. The VEVOR L Shaped computer desk, featuring a spacious 59-inch corner design, is a stellar addition to any workspace. Its L-shaped layout is an ingenious space saver, providing a roomy 59-inch by 19.7-inch main desktop that ensures optimal organization and productivity. The desk's sleek, contemporary style adds a touch of professionalism to any office, instantly elevating your workspace. Craftsmanship is a standout feature here. The CARB-certified P2 chipboard tabletop is not only sturdy but also waterproof, scratch-resistant, and easy to maintain, making it a perfect fit for active workspaces. Supported by a rust-resistant steel frame with a remarkable weight capacity of up to 200 pounds, this desk guarantees reliable performance. Stability is another key strength. The double X-shaped brackets deliver unwavering support, eliminating any wobbling or shaking during intensive work. The adjustable foot pads ensure that the desk remains secure and steady on uneven floors, without causing damage. Furthermore, the desk includes a monitor riser to reduce strain on your eyes, neck, and back during long computer sessions. At number 1 is the VEVOR L Shaped 54-inch corner desk with storage shelves and CPU stand. The VEVOR L Shaped 54-inch corner desk with storage shelves and CPU stand is a remarkable addition to any workspace. Its L-shaped design maximizes corner space efficiently, offering a generous 54-inch by 19.7-inch main desktop that ensures a clutter-free and highly productive work environment. With its sleek and contemporary style, it adds a touch of professionalism to any office, instantly elevating your workspace aesthetics. Craftsmanship is a hallmark feature. The CARB-certified P2 chipboard tabletop is not only robust but also waterproof, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean, making it ideal for busy workspaces. Supported by a rust-resistant steel frame with a weight capacity of up to 200 pounds, this desk offers unmatched durability. The desk goes a step further by addressing cable management concerns. It features reserved wiring positions that transform your workspace into a tidy and professional setting, eliminating the chaos of tangled wires. Customization is another strength. The Office Desk shelf provides 3 adjustable heights, allowing you to tailor your workspace to your specific needs. Whether you prefer keeping books and files within arm's reach or organizing stationery and electronics for easy access, this desk adapts effortlessly. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.